War and weapon has inseparable relationship between each other, and doesn't matter during which period of time, we all need weapon to either invade or defend ourselves. Gatling gun is one of the most famous inventions. Next, let's look at the designer. The designer of Gatling gun is Richard Jordan Gatling. From September 12, 1818 to February 26, 1903. He's American and the most famous invention is Gatling gun. Other than that, he has wheat planting drill, steam tractor, and etc. After this, we're gonna compare the original version and the modern version. As you can see from these two Gatling guns, one is the original model on the right hand and the other one is the modern version. There are a lot of developments during these years on Gatling guns and we're still using it. The biggest improvement is
the fire rate.
There are lots of advantage and a huge social impact of Gatling guns. First is to discourage large-scale battle and show the folly of war. Second is to solve the problem of loading reliably and the firing of sustainable burst. Its enormous advantage in firepower over the Western Indians for US troops, and provided the Europeans margin of victory over local force in newly colonized portions of Africa and Asia. It was widely used in Persian War, and especially in the War of Pacific, Battle of Tacana, and the Battle of San Juan.